Hello, everyone. Teamwork is super important in school and in life.
I think a team works effectively when everyone listens to each other's ideas and helps each other.
Each person should do their part and be responsible.
For example, in a football team, every player has a different role, but they cooperate to score goals.
When a team works well, they can finish tasks faster, learn more, and achieve great things.
The only problem is your wavelengths. I feel very proud when my team works effectively.
I think effective teamwork means that everyone helps each other.
In school, when we have a group project, a good team should listen to ideas and share tasks.
Everyone needs to be responsible and do their part.
When we work effectively, we can finish tasks faster and learn more.
It's important to cooperate in a team because it helps us to achieve our goals.